Since the historic Apollo missions in late 1960s and early 1970s, human return to the moon has remained an elusive endeavor. Despite significant advancement in space exploration, the question arises, why is it so challenging to return to our celestial neighbor? One of the primary challenges lies in developing the necessary technology for a lunar mission. The Apollo program, which successfully landed humans on the moon, relied on outdated technology compared to what is available today. Creating updated and reliable systems for propulsion, life support, communication, and navigation is a formidable task that demands substantial research, development, and testing. A crucial factor hindering a lunar return is the substantial cost involved. Space exploration is an expensive endeavor, requiring significant financial resources. The allocation of funds for lunar missions competes with other pressing priorities such as healthcare, education, and environmental concerns. Securing sustained funding for ambitious lunar projects remains a significant hurdle for space agencies and private companies alike. Space exploration has evolved into a global effort involving multiple nations. Coordinating international partnerships and collaborations adds a layer of complexity to lunar missions. Negotiating agreements, sharing resources, and aligning objectives among countries can be challenging due to geopolitical considerations, differing priorities, and competing interests. Striking a balance between collaboration and national interest is a delicate task. Ensuring the safety and well-being of astronauts during lunar missions is one of paramount importance. The moon poses numerous hazards, including extreme temperature variations, micrometeoroid impacts, radiation exposure, and the absence of a protective atmosphere. Developing robust spacecraft, spacesuits, and life support systems capable of withstanding these challenges is essential but technically demanding. Comprehensive medical and psychological evaluations of crew members are also crucial to mitigate the risks associated with long-duration space travel. Establishing a sustainable presence on the moon requires the development of infrastructure, including habitats, power generation systems, and resource utilization capabilities. Building and maintaining such infrastructure in a harsh lunar environment is no small feat. Additionally, ensuring a steady supply chain for essential resources such as water, oxygen, and food is crucial for long-duration missions. Overcoming these logistical challenges requires careful planning, innovative engineering, and long-term commitments. While the Apollo missions were driven by the space race and the desire to explore the unknown, the rationale for returning to the moon today involves a combination of scientific discovery, technological innovation, and public engagement. Identifying compelling scientific objectives that justify the significant investment and public interest is essential. This requires defining research priorities such as understanding the moon's geology, investigating its potential for resource utilization, and using it as a stepping stone for future deep space exploration. Space exploration is intricately linked to national space policies and government support. Shifting political landscapes, changes in administration, and evolving priorities can impact the continuity and focus of lunar exploration programs. Robust and consistent government support, accompanied by stable long-term policies, provide the necessary framework for sustained lunar missions. Returning to the Moon is an audacious undertaking that presents a multitude of challenges on technological, financial, political, and scientific fronts. As humanity strives to overcome these hurdles, the prospect of a renewed lunar exploration effort becomes increasingly tantalizing. By addressing these complexities with determination, innovation, and international collaboration, we may once again set foot on the lunar surface, expanding our understanding of the universe and paving the way for future endeavors in space exploration. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more captivating videos on the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, keep pondering and embracing the wonders of the cosmos.